A few weeks ago, I came across this video on Instagram, which talked about the tendency of a lot of people to criticize other people when they do something bad, but or something they don't agree to, but the difficulty of praising somebody when they do something right or something really great. That's what we can talk about since this also is very true in the work wherever you're working or even in school for that matter. So let me ask you this. Oh, by the way, I'm George. RB is here. This is our regular thingy. And let me ask you, RB, have you ever been criticized or bashed or whatever?
All the time.
All the
All the
time.
time, George. So
So,
on the TikTok account, whatever it is that I post, people have some comment, and
uh-huh,
the way that they comment isn't really pleasant. It's almost as if they're entitled to
uh-huh.
whatever content that I come up with. And I've stopped posting actually for a couple of weeks because of the bashers.
You mean that affected you? Does it affect you a lot?
A lot, yeah. Like I think I have what is known as RSD, rejection sensitivity dysphoria.
I know they asked for it, but I don't know. I don't know dysphoria. What is it?
Well, I just saw that on TikTok. Like apparently people with ADHD,
Mm.
some of them, I mean, probably not all of them, they really take it seriously when they have this perceived rejection. Rejection could come in the form of a negative comment, it could come in the form of a facial expression,
Hmm.
and it hits them so hard that it could sometimes paralyze them. So that's what RSD apparently is.
Oh, and are you easily affected by those things?
Yeah, yeah. Like just today, I got a comment because I posted something about the way people sing "I Love You" by Celine Dion,
Uh-huh. Right.
and that part that says these three words they could change our lives forever. And I said three words, that's plural. So you can't say this three words. It
Hmm.
has to be these three words. And then someone comes up with a comment that says, there's such a thing called poetic license. People can actually use wrong grammar on a song. And then I go, Celine Dion did not have wrong grammar. She said
Hmm.
these three words. It's just that some people can't pronounce these. So it comes out as this. And he just didn't stop. He kept on replying and replying. And I, having RSD, I just blocked him. I didn't want to deal with all that negativity.
Okay, so that affected you a lot. So how do you react when you get affected? Do you turn violent or
I don't turn violent. I get discouraged. So
uh-huh.
it's either I shut up, I
So
in a
you
meeting,
withdraw.
yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
What about when you get some praises from people?
Well, for someone with RSD, the opposite is also true. I mean, if you get praised for even the tiniest thing,
Mhm.
it feels good. So it's intensified.
Very nice. And what do you think is the cause of that? Why do people love to criticize?
Mema.
May masabi lang eh. Ganun. It's
Mema. Oh.
grabe, no? I guess we're fortunate. I don't know if you noticed anything, but in our episodes, in our videos, I don't think we've received some criticism yet. Hopefully, not in the future. Otherwise, they won't see it. They won't see us for about 2, 3 months because
Hindi na hindi na nag-produce ng
Yoko
content.
na.
Na-depress.
Tumawag ng psychiatrist. Eh.
O tawa-tawa psychiatrist yung anak mo.
Oh,
Ninya, ang dami kong bashers. Anong gagawin?
may grabe. Eh. That's very true. No? And ikaw, you're a boss, right? Do you easily criticize or do you easily praise?
I don't easily criticize. As a matter of
Mm-hmm.
fact, siguro it's been a fault to a sense. In a
Mm-hmm.
sense, because you're supposed to give feedback to your people. If it's negative, I tend not to,
Mm-hmm.
or I tend to reword it in a positive way. But I
Mm-hmm.
realized, George, I also don't give a lot of praises.
Oh.
So
Mm-hmm.
nonchalant, as in, ano, kung I'm the opposite of Mema, ako yung,
Uh-huh. Yung tipong ano lang, yun. Yeah, you did well. That's par for the course. I didn't expect anything less. You know? Hindi, may mga ganun talaga eh. Ako ganun din yun. I try to hold back on criticisms as much as possible. I try to, soft skills, di ba? There are several ways to skin a cat, so to speak. So I try to say it in the most gentle way, but it still comes out as, I don't know, hurtful. Probably, I don't know, I should learn more, a better language, so to speak, for me to be able to have that characteristic in soft skills na ganon. Sa praises naman, yeah, I praise. No? I praise to the point na sinasabi ng iba, oh, binobola mo na yata ako. Ganon. Which could come out that way. I don't know. Ikaw ba, pag pinapraise kita dati, is that what you feel? Binobola kita?
No, more of I deflect it.
Hmm.
Not that I don't believe you, it's more of talaga ba deserve ko yan? Parang ganun. Meaning, I don't doubt you, I doubt myself.
Is that part of the RSD syndrome?
Ah, di ba nga sabi lang Pinoy daw may false humility.
All
Biglang
right, right.
pinuri yung damit mo. Uy, ang ganda-ganda. Tapos sabihin ng tao, wala sa okay-okay ko lang nabili yan eh. Yung we always have to
Rationalize.
oo, self-effacing, parang ganun.
Oo, oo. Hindi, ang ganda-ganda. Hindi naman, kaya lang nakatingin sa salamin, di ba? Hindi naman. But that's weird. Kaya lang kaya tinamaan ako dun sa When I saw that video, sabi ko, dami-tao nga ganun, no? Yung, even Nina, I guess, notices that in her patients. No? Yung mga ganong, tinatamaan sila. That's the need for intervention, so to speak. I was just wondering, kaya I asked you, why that's the case. Sabi mo, mema. Is that the only thing? There's no scientific basis for...
Meron ding George, if you take a look at the personality assessments,
Mhm.
we can divide people into two. One would be people who will praise you lavishly for even the smallest acts.
Mhm.
And then the opposite of that is kailangan mo magmilagro para purihin ka nila. So it's a function of someone's personality. Ang hirap niyang i-overcome. Because, for example, the group of people who don't want to praise, parang feeling lang, hindi mo deserve eh. Deserve mo lang yung praise pag may ginawa kang sobrang magaling.
Talagang, I need to be floored.
Oo.
Oh, no. You have to awe me first before I give you something, which is sad also. I guess a lot of people, well, everybody, I guess, needs some praises, so to speak. No? Di naman pwede yung we just work our butts off tapos we don't get any recognition for whatever we're doing. That's so sad. No? And I guess ang problema lang, that's the environment we chose. I guess especially in the BPO environment, iba rin klase dyan eh. Parang broadcast din ng BPO yung ganun ang tingin ko because of the ego. What do you think? Do sa analysis kong yun. Broadcasters have really huge egos, di ba?
Parang
Sa,
lahat naman ng tao may ego. Feeling ko.
kaya lang, hindi naman bloated egos, di ba?
Oo nga.
Doon nagka-clash. Like, uy, mas magaling ako magsalita dyan eh. Mga ganon, di ba?
Siguro, George, sa entertainment industry, no? At saka sa politics.
Yeah.
Yun yung mga industries na you need you need to have a strong ego.
Yun ang, last week na I attended a party. Tapos yung one of the guests is running for mayor. Di syempre, alam mo naman, pag yung lakas ng arrival yung dating niya, grabe. And then he asked me if I could do his campaign, jingles, yung mga ganyan. Sabi ko, sige, gano'n. No? Tapos yung pala, may nagawa siyang video. No? Yung mga gano'n. No? You base it according to what he made. Ang pangit nung nagawa niya. Paano kayo doon? Di ba? Doon umano yung pag sinasabi mo, pag sasabihin mo, maybe we can do this. Sabi, no, yan ang gusto ko, ganyan. No, I've encountered a lot of politicians na ganun. Yung you can't even put in a suggestion. Basta gawin mo yung gusto nila. And even if it sucks, no, sometimes there are some jingles na, which I did before. Na I don't want to admit that we were the ones who did it and sang it. Dahil talagang, ano eh,
Cringy.
cringe-worthy talaga. No, yung mga, ano eh. There was this jingle we adapted to the tune of, yung sugar, oh, honey, honey, ganun. Talagang ang corny nung lyrics, but we had to do it. Isa naman, we sounded like Habibis. No?
Legs, legs, legs mo
Oh, yung
ay
mga ganon.
nakakasilaw.
Oh, ang ano doon, ang nakakatawa doon, the candidate thought it was really Hagibis who sang it.
Ikaw ang kumanta,
Paano?
George.
Dalawa lang kami.
Wow.
Oh, tapos overdubs lang. In a home studio, ha? Nanalo pareho yung kandidato.
Pero feeling ko, George, if you're going to do something for politicians, okay lang naman, basta bayad up front.
Yeah, paano pag matalo?
Pag natalo,
Hindi na magbabayad yun eh. Pag nanalo, hindi ka nakilala.
oo nga eh.
That's the problem. Actually, nangyari na rin sa akin niya way back. Ganon. Nung natalo, hindi ko na nakita eh. Kaya nga ang ano dyan, singilan, 75% upfront. Pag delivered ng material, full payment. Doesn't pay, we don't give the material.
Oo, para palang ransom, ano? Hindi
Mm.
ka nagbayad, di mo na makikita anak mo.
Mm. At sisiguraduhin namin matatalo ka.
Ay.
Ay, nako, eto, next year, election, grabe. I can just imagine. It's gonna be a circus, really. Ganon. Ikaw nga, yung boses mo, kailangan yan sa,
Ayoko yatang gumawa ng commercial for politicians, George.
bakit naman hindi? Di ba?
Eh, iboto, si ganito. Di ba may template na yun eh. May ina-expect na silang tunog kapag gumawa ka
Oo,
ng ano.
oo. Yun na nga
Eh,
eh.
ayokong, ayokong ma-template. Siguro, ganun lang.
Tapos yung Rivabash, ikaw pala yan. Ano ganyan? Balik na naman yung RSD.
RSD. Kaya yung mga, wag na po kayo magtaka pag nag-leave kayo ng comment, bigla na kayo nabablock. Yan.
Ayun,
RSD.
RSD. So that's the word of the day. No? Uy, alam mo yung word of the year
Anong word of the year?
na inano ng dictionary.com?
Delulu.
Hindi,
Ano?
demure.
Demure.
Demure. Why?
Binuhay, George. Binuhay yung word na demure. Di ba? Hindi na ginagamit yan ng ano eh. In the last 20
Precisely.
years.
Precisely. Sino ba bumuhay niyan? Sino si Raulo
Si ano,
bumuhay?
Jules. TikToker siya. Ang pangalan Jules. Tapos ang sabi niya, see how I do my makeup? Very demure. Very cutesy. Mindful.
Oh,
Magaling siya.
aha, aha.
Eh,
Yun ang ano,
nag-viral.
grabe ano. Kailan kaya tayo mag-viral?
Siguro pag ano ka na, George, pag kumaldag ka na, tapos kakanta ng Jumbo Hotdog.
Okay, piti apa. Well, but you know, I started liking K-pop when I heard that, Rose and Bruno Mars. Of course, Bruno Mars was a big factor, no? Kaya maganda yung pagkakanta nun. But somehow, naging interesa, magaling naman pala mga Koreano eh. Kala ko hanggang Bini lang ako eh. Because Bini is amazing.
Talaga ba? Wala kang alam sabihin.
Alam mo ba, my two kids, no, nasa Boston yung isa, nasa New Mexico yung isa. They're so gooned over Beanie na I had to send them Beanie merchandise. I had to pull strings sa ABS-CBN para magawa yon. Okay, my daughter is coming home in February to watch the Beanie concert at Philippine Arena.
Wow.
Coming home, just for that. And she wants a VIP ticket. Sabi ko, it's not a good idea because transportation yung grabe yung when the last time I went to Philippine Arena, it took me more than an hour just to move the car from the parking lot. No, ganun kagrabe. She doesn't care daw. She wants to watch it. Why don't you watch it in LA? They're having a concert in LA. Hindi, gusto raw niya dito. Well, I guess gusto niya umuwi pagbalik bayan. No? But the thing is, grabe, that's how popular they are. Even her kids, my grandkids, ganon, once they play Beanie, yung ayun, sumasayaw. They sing along. Kanina, I was watching the cheer dance competition ng UAP. Yung Enyo, pantropiko yung ano eh, yung music nila eh. And
Yun.
in fairness to them, magaling talaga sila. Ayan, I'm praising them. I'm not bashing them. No.
Eh kung sino man mag-bash sa Bini, patay siya. Dudumog.
Oo, oo. Grabe yun. Really, they're very good. I have to take my hats off to Lauren Jogi, who conceptualized the whole thing. No, and they can sing. They have harmonies and everything. Unlike K-pop, na walang harmonies.
So meaning puro dance number, ganun.
And of course, the power of money of Korea brought them up there. No? But ang Bini, talent talaga, pure talent.
Wow.
They're really very, very good. And coming from me, I really get impressed by musical acts. I wanted to manage them. Hindi, kaya lang hindi pwede. Paano, ABS-CBN na may hawak eh. They're making a killing. You go to the ABS-CBN merchandise store, the Beanie store, sold out.
Wow.
Ayun. Tapos ang ginagawa, they bid it out sa ano na, eBay.
Galing.
So, I'm praising Beanie and I'm bashing K-pop. Yan. Paano K-pop? Until now, I just don't get it.
Naku, ayan, George, magva-viral na yan kasi binabash mo ang K-pop. Mamaya merong pagising mo bukas, 2,000 comments. Viral agad in the wrong way.
You're the wrong market. Just go back watching Jack Jones and Frank Sinatra. Yeah. No, but really, you know. And okay, let me ask you this. No, do you ever think that there will come a time? I don't know. Probably one of the reasons why there are a lot of criticisms and bashes. It's because of social media, right? Do you ever think there will come a time na magdidwendle yan, and then there's going to be peace on earth and goodwill to men?
Wow. Ano ba to? Thanos. Pag
Di
snap,
ba?
eh, mawawala lahat ng mga Karens of the world.
Di ba?
Pero parang lalong lalala, George, eh. Kasi more and more people are capitalizing on the power of social media to have a voice. Kaso, minsan yung voice nila, masyado egotistical voice.
Yeah, you know what I'm doing. Well, eto nga eh, Australia has come up with a law. Social media is banned to people 16 and under.
16 and under.
Siyempre, marami nagalit, but it's already a law, so they're enforcing it. Paano, feeling ko kasi, one of the reasons probably why there's a lot of bashing going on is because there are a lot of people, young people, who just, let out steam. I agree with the Australian law. They really took it, talagang they took it seriously and came up with that law. Although, syempre, marami nagagalit na mga bata. Anyway, so that's it. No, I was just wondering about that. Maybe next chapter of this video we can talk more about it. And there's something else I want to talk to you about concerning these things. These things, hindi this thing. No. No. So let's see. Let's what when we get into recording again, I'll bring it up. Very important again in the workplace. No. Also, let's come up with another one by next week. To all you people out there, don't bash us. We're just stating an opinion. The views and opinions expressed herein are mainly ours and not does not reflect YouTube or any other people aside from us. Thank you.